Very quiet, by the way, right now. Our line of storms we're anticipating about here, all the way down to the Gulf. You see it. And we actually have a tornado warning out for the Mobile, Alabama area, too. This is the second tornado warning I've seen up here. There was one near Pensacola earlier. We're also getting what we call indiscrete little individual cells kind of out ahead of this main line. But again, this is an afternoon thing for us, folks. It's 5:17 in the morning. It's mild. It's windy. Wind will be the dominant issue overall today. Okay? It's going to be windy. We're talking 20 to 30 mile per hour winds, gusts to 45. That's just in general. That's what we're going to have today. And then we'll deal with that line of thunderstorms in the afternoon. Brooksville's at 70 degrees this morning. It's 73 in Venice. Wauchula and Sebring at 70. Crystal River's about 22 degrees warmer this morning, and Brandon is 20 degrees warmer. So big difference. South winds. That south wind is really beginning to kick in and pump up this warmth. These little yellow numbers are the wind gusts averaged over 10 seconds time. And you can see already winds gusting into the 30s for Sarasota. So the wind advisory is out, looking at sustained wind speeds, meaning what it's going to be doing all day long, 20 to 30 miles per hour, with some gusts up to 45. Then we'll deal with this line of rain and thunderstorms. Here's 1 o'clock. And again, I want you to understand this. This could be 45 minutes to an hour slow. This could be 45 minutes to an hour fast. Well, I almost tripped over that. So my point is that it may not be exactly at 1 o'clock. It's rolling into, Crystal River. It could be a little bit later. It could be a couple of minutes earlier. This is a in general kind of thing, but around 3 o'clock, between 2 and about 6, is when this line of rain is going to be rolling through the viewing area. And you're going to get intense rain for about 30 to 40 minutes with those wind gusts to 50 to 60 miles per hour. There is a slight chance or an isolated tornado can form, but that isn't our dominant threat. It's going to be damaging winds really up and down this line as it rolls through. However, I got to tell you, by around 6 or 7 is done. Then we'll have the aftermath of that west wind pouring the water on shore. So a twofold effect. The line rolls through, then we'll deal with that water coming on shore, and then overnight we should be done and we should be good. Storm threats. Wind will be the highest threat that we have today, okay? With heavy rain maybe second. Tornado, there is a chance, it's a moderate chance for that to play out this afternoon. And the best chances for severe weather are shaded in, of course, the yellow and the orange, especially the orange. It's a little higher risk. That includes Citrus County, Hernando County, and parts of Pasco County. But we're under a slight risk for the rest of us, and again, during the afternoon. Once it all moves through, that significant coastal flooding is an issue. Seas, I keep saying seas. The water levels up 2 to 3 or 2 to 4 feet in the Nature Coast as the high tides kind of roll in. So look out for that if you live right along the coast and you know who you are, because you deal with this frequently when we get these type of systems to roll on shore. It's going to be quick, and then it's going to be quick out of here. This is not going to be long lasting. But I just want to let you know that the #1 issue today is the wind. And wind advisories are in effect with the strong storms this afternoon, temps near 76. Clearing out tonight, we're going to the 50s, and then tomorrow, right back into the mid-60s again, just kind of cooler, kind of drier. A gale warning. We don't get very many gale warnings, but we got one today. South winds 25 to 30 knots with seas running 6 to 9 feet. So, yeah, very, very rough out there on the coastal water. We'll go down to the 60s for highs Wednesday and Thursday, then back to the 70s on Friday. You're getting this, then back to the 60s again. Our temperatures are all over the place, and after the rain this afternoon, the rain moves back in again on Friday for you, okay?